let me bring in Ashutosh. Ashutosh, you might be upset that the Prime Minister has used this term Andolan GV. You might think it's derogatory, it falsely characterizes a whole group of dissidents, etc. But let me ask you, sir, this entire group, or those who are today opposing the word Andolan GV, they use words routinely like fascists, nikkarwalas and sanghis to describe their ideological opponents, call them Hindu terrorists, etc., etc. Then you don't think of derogation. Then you think that these are fitting appellations. Mr. Ashutosh.
Rahul, I think you are taking Prime Minister's words very seriously. I think Prime Minister did not say very seriously. I think he said it in a lighter way. If you rewind the tape, you will immediately realize that was it said very seriously or in a lighter way. Since you are taking it in a...
No, are you an Andolan GV? I'm only asking you.
No, I'm just...
I'm asking you.
Rahul, if you ask a question, have patience to listen. You don't disturb Ratan Sharda, Anand Ranganathan and...
I don't disturb anyone.
No. So let me complete.
I don't disturb anyone.
Let me complete, because my dear friend Ratan Sharda...
But I don't know why it always becomes...
No idea.
No, look, I'm not the Prime Minister of this country, but why do you always make it about me? I can't understand. Ghanshyam Tiwari makes it about me. Your response is also about me.
You like to
Rahul,
support
that is called
those
shooting
and me. Will not disturb Ratan Sharda.
Yet again,
Anand
Ashutosh
Ranganathan
takes
and
my
Kohli.
name.
But you will disturb me when I'm speaking. I will not complete. I will disturb you.
I'm asking you a simple question. Why are you giving...
Stop taking my
What
name,
difference
my
does it
friend.
make whether I take it seriously or I don't take it seriously?
I'm saying...
आप जवाब मुद्दे पे दीजिए.
That's my opinion. Nah? Let me complete my answer. I take it more seriously when the Prime Minister talks about the FDI. That is foreign
Ashutosh, why are you
ideology.
rattled? You are not
And
Andolan GV, you are Petroleum Point
Prime
GV.
Minister is very right on that point. Because it was B.S. Munjay who had gone to Mussolini to learn foreign ideology. It was Mr. Hedgewar who was sent to Calcutta to join Anushilan Samiti to learn foreign destructive ideology. And it is this destruction which is now being seen in India. So, Ratan Sharda will not talk about...
He says revolutionaries are foreigners.
Let him finish, sir. Let him finish. Let Ashutosh speak. Finally, he's answering the question.
He says Dr. Hedgewar went to Calcutta to learn revolution and he said those are foreigners. So Anushilan Samiti was foreigners. क्या आशुतोष जी क्या हो गया?
One second, Ratan Sharda ji, you can respond to him. Give him his time, please. Okay, Ashutosh ji, speak.
I can quote Golwalkar when he ridicules the martyrs of the country. He said these are failed people and that is why they can't be ideal. And if you want, I can quote the exact words and exact pages from Bunch of Thought.
अरे आज की बात करिए ना, चलो आपसे नहीं झगड़ा करते, आज की बात करिए आप 100 साल पुरानी बात करते हैं, मैं भी 100 साल पुरानी कम्युनिस्टों की बात कर लूंगा, मैं सोशलिस्टों की बात कर लूंगा, मुझे भी सब इतिहास पता है.
Okay, let him speak, sir.
बात करिए.
Ratan ji, let him speak, please. Let him speak.
लगातार झूठ बोलेंगे तो क्या करूंगा मैं? लगातार जहर बोलेंगे. मैंने कहा ना ये लोग ऐसे ही हैं, पॉइजन पहने ये लोग.
आपके बीएस मुंजे मुसोलिनी के पास जाते हैं सीखने के लिए कि फॉरेन डिस्ट्रक्टिव आइडियोलॉजी कैसे होनी चाहिए.
मुंजे संघ के क्या लगते थे? मुंजे संघ के कुछ लगते थे क्या? आप कहाँ डिबेट लेके जा रहे हैं? मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि डिबेट मोदी जी से जाके मुंजे पर लेकर जाए. तो नेताजी को कहेंगे नेताजी फासिस्ट थे क्योंकि वो मिले थे हिटलर को.
नो, आप बताओ ना मुसोलिनी से सीखने क्या गए थे?
आप बताओ ना मुसोलिनी को डॉक्टर हेडगेवार मिले थे क्या?
Ashutosh ji, let me ask you a straightforward question.
मुंजे संघ के संस्थापक नहीं थे.
आप फॉरेन डिस्ट्रक्टिव
आप कौन सा इतिहास पढ़ते हैं मुझे नहीं पता, मैं इतिहास पढ़ा दूंगा आपको.
आपको नहीं पता इतिहास क्योंकि आपका इतिहास
Ashutosh ji, those times were different. Even Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose went to Germany. Have you forgotten? Those times were different. What are you trying to suggest here, Dr. Anand Ranganathan? I mean, you can't have two sets of different principles. One for Mr. Munje and one for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose also went to Germany. Now, I don't know what he was learning there, but Ashutosh will hold him up as a great prince of patriots and Munje as some sort of, schemer. I don't understand. I mean, where is the comparison here? I don't understand the logic at all.
No, RSS doesn't accept Munjay has gone to Mussolini.
My name is
RSS
so-called
never
left
accepted
liberals.
Munjay has gone to
They live
And
on
if I'm not
hypocrisy, they live on
mistaken-
double tongue.
Ashutosh, please don't interrupt.
No, Anand Ranganathan and Munjay and then
No,
the Ratan Tata
I
did not
don't know why
accept that
Ashutosh-
they have gone to
Ashutosh,
Mussolini
please
to
don't
burn
interrupt.
what they brought to
Did
India.
I interrupt
So
you?
Marcus Bose, everybody knows, was
I
open,
did not
was
interrupt you.
transparent.
Ashutosh, these are bad manners.
No, bad manners, Anand. I
Don't.
learned from you, my dear friend.
Please don't interrupt.
No, I
Thank
learned
you,
from you
Ashutosh.
these bad manners. Don't worry about it.
Okay, one second.
Where did you learn from me?
Every day you come out.
I don't know
with some
why.
wisdom,
No, Rahul,
with
I don't know why
social
Ashutosh is
something like
rattled.
these words.
No, both Ghanshyam
Ashutosh,
Tiwari
be
and
quiet now.
Ashutosh today have scored
be
big
quiet
own goals.
now, Ashutosh.
Can't explain the glaring contradictions in their own arguments. 1 minute. Let me bring in Dr.
Rahul,
Ranganathan.
Rahul,
Yes.
can you please,
One
can
second.
you please
Dr.
mute
Ranganathan.
Ashutosh?
Yeah.
Yes,
you
thank
the
you.
god?
No, I don't know why Ashutosh, my good friend, is rattled. He is not Andolan Jeevi.
Ashutosh, who are you?
Now, Ashutosh, don't do that. Don't do that.
Never
Don't do
utter a
that.
word.
Thank
It's a
you.
matter of
No,
courtesy.
Rahul, I don't know why Ashutosh, my good friend, is
Okay.
rattled.
Forget him for
Ashutosh, he keeps. Rahul,
Forget him, forget
I'm
him.
Sorry.
Look,
how?
Look, this is not going to stop. You just have to say your point. You just have to get it across. Dr. Anand Ranganathan, make your point, sir, please. Yeah.
Yes, as I was saying, Ashutosh should not be rattled. I don't know why he is. He is not Andolan Jeevi. He is Petroleum Point Jeevi. He lives in some parallel world. ये कुछ और अपनी तैयारी करके आए थे कि ये इससे मिला ये उससे मिला है और सिलेबस में कुछ और आ गया. सिलेबस में आरएसएस एक्सपर्ट रतन शारदा आ गए, who's got a PhD on RSS, the history of RSS. आशुतोष से मैं यही कहूंगा कि not only Subhash Chandra Bose, I think even Gandhi met Mussolini, if I'm not mistaken, Mahatma Gandhi. And as far as let me see if Ashutosh has the guts to criticize this quote from the son of India, Dr. Ambedkar, who said, now don't interrupt Ashutosh. Don't interrupt. I said, no, 1 second. Dr. Ambedkar said, is Islam. No, 1 second. Stop interrupting, yaar. Are you from JNU? Oh, I'm sorry, you are. फेल हुए थे क्या JNU में? JNU से भी फेल हो गए थे. You are a डफलीवादी. डफली लेके घूमते रहते हो. बात किसी की सुननी नहीं है. आशुतोष, please. ना प्लीज. किससे? मैं तुमसे बातचीत कर रहा हूँ अभी भाई. पढ़े लिखे लोगों से बातचीत नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am talking to you right now. If I am talking to educated people, I'll talk to Ratan Sharda. Please, I am talking to you. Ashutosh, be absolutely quiet. Be absolutely quiet. Stop interrupting. Why don't you condemn Dr. Ambedkar? Why don't you condemn Dr. Ambedkar? Condemn him. Why don't you condemn? Why don't you condemn Subhash Chandra Bose?
No, don't.
I hold no brief for any of these historical figures. I have been critical of each one of them, including Mahatma Gandhi. तुम्हारे जैसे मैं चूहों की तरह
just for fact's sake,
a lamppost like a wet cat, Ashutosh.
Just for
because I
fact's
haven't
sake,
joined politics like you.
Just for a fact's sake, I can tell you, after quoting multiple sources, that Mahatma Gandhi also met the militaristic Italian fascist dictator Benito Mussolini. Sir, let me finish. मैं बता रहा हूं ना.
Exactly.
आप सुन तो लीजिए.
Apologize. What do you mean when? Apologize.
Mahatma Gandhi met him in Rome in December 1931. सर आप गूगल कर लीजिए. आप विकिपीडिया गूगल कर लीजिए. आपका वहां पर थोड़ा.
अरे गूगल करना भी नहीं आता होगा.
आपका वहां पकड़ाव काफी तेज है. Let me take a short break.
तो दोस्तों अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी है तो वीडियो ज़रूर थोड़ी बहुत आपको अच्छी लगी होगी, इसलिए वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए और ऐसे ही वीडियो अगर आप और देखना चाहते हैं तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. धन्यवाद.